Welcome everyone, and thanks for watching. This video is a step-by-step instructional on how to connect your Teckin Smart Power Strip to the Smart Life application and to Amazon Alexa so you can use it with voice control. I'll be showing you how to connect it conventionally, and also I'll show you how to hook up with an access point. It's called AP mode, and we'll cover that at the end of the video. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is plug in your Teckin Smart Power Strip, and you want to download and install the Smart Life application. Now once you've registered with Smart Life, then you want to add a device, and you cannot do that until this is either blinking rapidly or blinking very slowly. And if it's not doing either, you simply hold it down until it starts blinking rapidly, like that. And if it was blinking slowly, that would be entering AP mode, and we'll do that at the end of the video. Let's add a device with a plus at the top right hand part of the screen, and we'll select multiple socket. It says add device, confirm indicator blinking, rapidly blink, so we'll click that. This is where you want to input your Wi-Fi password. It has to be on a 2.4 gigahertz network. Click OK. And we'll wait for this to connect. It should take about 30 seconds. Okay, great. Now it says device added successfully. And since this is the shop power strip, the one I'm going to be using in my shop, I'm just going to go ahead and darken in that little box on there that says shop. And I've added that manually. So click completed. And then now you'll have use of it right away. And there we have it. We can select all on, all off. Great. Now let's get out of here and go to Amazon Alexa, and we'll enable skills and go from there. So from your menu, your app menu, go to Amazon Alexa. And depending on where you ended up when you opened your app, or where you were last, is where you'll start off. So select menu until you see skills and games. Click skills and games. Now you're going to want to search for Smart Life. And then as soon as you get enough letters typed in, it'll show up, and it'll show up right there. We'll click it. Now I already have Smart Life skills enabled with Amazon Alexa. This is where you would want to click the Enable Skills button, and then you will need your password for your Smart Life and link the two together. Alright, now that you've enabled your Smart Life skills with Amazon Alexa, we're going to go out of here, and we're going to go back to the Amazon Alexa main menu, and we're going to add a device. Scroll all the way up. You can do it manually, but it's much easier if you scroll all the way up and select Other. And at the bottom of the screen it'll say Discover Devices. So click that. That takes 45 seconds. I'll come back when that's completed. Alright, so mine says 6 devices discoverable. We're going to go ahead and choose device. And the first thing we want to set up is just the power strip itself. So scroll up. Mine is named Shop Power Strip. If yours was new, it would just simply say Smart Power Strip. Click Setup Device. Now you can add this to a group. We won't have to do that now, so we'll skip that. Once you have done that, it'll say Shop Power Strip is set up and ready to use. To control it, and then it tells you how to control it. So let's try that. Alexa, turn on Shop Power Strip. And then as you can see, it turned everything on. Alexa, turn off Shop Power Strip. Alright, and from there, it's important to note that you've only set up the Shop Power Strip as a whole. We still want to go back in and set up these switches individually. And so when you click Continue, you'll see switch 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then USB. And you can name them whatever you want to. Let's just name them S1, S2, S3, S4 respectively. But the first thing you have to do is select them and choose Setup and then Skip. And you will do that, repeat the process. So I'll do that again. Check mark out beside it, Setup Device. I'm skipping the group as of right now. And then Continue. So do that for the remainder. Okay, after everything is set up, it says all your devices are set up. You can now use Alexa to control your home. Let's click Done. Alright, and now we're back on the main menu pages of your devices. So what we want to do now is rename them. Especially if you have more than one strip, you don't want any conflict. So go to Settings, device settings, and in that section it shows you everything that is new. There will be a new device label beside every new device that Amazon Alexa has found. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to rename switch 1. It's a new device. Okay, it tells you that the plug is off. You can actually control it with Amazon Alexa now. Now it's on. Now it's off. Let's rename it, and we'll just simply name it S1. Once you've done that, click Done. Back out and we'll see if it worked. Alexa, turn on S1. And it did. Alexa, turn off S1. I want to point out that the Teckin representative that I've been in correspondence with has mentioned that they have had trouble telling Alexa to perform a task when one of the outlets is named a letter and a character, like number 1. I haven't found that to be the problem, and it could be the difference in the English language and the Chinese language and how Alexa responds to that. But basically, if you name it and you can pronounce it correctly, she will control it. Alright, so in talking with the Teckin representative, they would like me to mention a little bit about AP mode. AP mode is access point. And based on just research, and I'm no expert when it comes to this, just getting that right out there, AP mode is a physical location to where your device can access your home Wi-Fi network. So let's do that now. This is blinking rapidly. That's not what we want. We want it to blink slowly. So let's hold it down for as long as it takes for it to start blinking slowly. Okay. Now we have entered AP mode. So open up your Smart Life application, and like before, plus sign in the top right hand corner, add device. Multiple socket. Now it's in the bottom that says confirm indicator rapidly blink. That's incorrect. We want to go up here to the AP mode. Click AP mode. Confirm indicator slowly blink. Click that. Now this is where it'll ask you to input your wireless password. And bear in mind you must be on a 2.4 gigahertz network. Click OK. Now at this point we have to get out of here, go into your internet settings, under Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi, Smart Life. We're going to wait for that to connect. It did. We're going to get back out of here with the home button. Open up your Smart Life application, and it will be connecting. And I'll wait for this to complete. Okay, like before, it says device added successfully. I'll click shop just because that's where we're hypothetically placing it in this. Click complete, and we'll see if we can control it. All on. All off. Everything's working as it should. And that is how you connect your Teckin Smart Power Strip to the Smart Life application conventionally and in AP mode, and also how to connect it with Amazon Alexa with the Smart Life Skills application. Alright, and now that we've changed it and we're in AP mode, you'll have to go back into your Amazon Alexa app and add it like before.